Hi there. I'm going to be demonstrating a Google Sheets spreadsheet that I wrote or built to select the winner of a contest by random. And it uses a random number generator that's built in. Uh, Google Sheets is Google's answer. They have an answer for everything, right? It's their answer to a spreadsheet program. So when you want to do mathematical formulas, when you want to organize, collect data, keep lists, spreadsheets are very awesome, very useful, very powerful. So like I said, this is a spreadsheet built to randomly select a contest winner using a random number generator. A random number generator is a mathematical formula computation that a computer does or a calculator uh, to select a number or a list item at random. And it's a fair and unbiased way of selecting a winner of a contest. So I thought it was perfect. This particular idea came to me as my wife was having a contest for her Young Living Essential Oils team, in which she has dozens of team members competing for a particular prize that she's given away that month. Um, so I removed all of her team. Basically, the list was pretty big, so removed all those names, condensed it down to about 10 people, and put in some names of a few good friends of mine. And we will run the scenario with a list of about 10 people. So each team member basically has a chance to earn an unlimited number of entries per month based on different goals they achieve. So Frodo for this particular month earned 5 entries, Sam earned 3, Mary earned 3, and each entry is a chance of winning the contest. And here's their chance based on the total number of entries received and the number of entries they received as an individual. So Frodo, he gets 5 entries. He's assigned numbers 1 through 5. And you can look at this at putting all these numbers into a hat. And if we drew out a 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 out of the hat, Frodo would win the big prize. Okay, same for Sam. He got 3 entries. So he is given entry numbers 6, 7, and 8. So if the random number comes up as 6, 7, or 8, he wins. So 42, this number down here represents the total number of entries. So you can see why it would be difficult to use a dice or even numbers in a hat, because this can become very big. Say, for example, somebody was really motivated. Say Bilbo got really motivated, had 120 entries. Now you've got 150 items that you have to write out, put in a hat. So this is just a quicker, cleaner way of doing it. And you save the spreadsheet, and it's there for the next month if you're doing a contest again. So let's put Bilbo back down to something reasonable. We'll say 3 entries. Things change a little bit. Your percentage of winning changes, but Aragorn has the highest chance of winning this contest, but not by much. Everybody's got a pretty good shot. The winner is going to be indicated over here after we run the random number generator. This is going to change, and there's a little bit of math behind these cells. You can look up here in your formula bar. So the math kind of determines how this is highlighted, but it's all based off of what comes up in the random number cell down here. So let's get to how do we generate the random number, which is what this video is really all about. The random number generator, like I said, is going to show up in this cell. And when you look up here at the formula bar, there's no formula, it's just a number. That's because the number is generated through the menu up here. Go to the add-ons menu. and you click on it. And the first time, you're not going to see this random number here. You have to go to Get Add-ons, follow the instructions for getting the random generator, and it's real easy and painless. Just follow the instructions, and it will install, and now you'll have a random generator in your add-ons menu bar. So when you want to create a new random number, you just go down to Random Generator, you click Start. You kind of get a little wizard screen that pops up. So in the Random Generator box, there's different kind of lists that it can generate random numbers, or random values, I guess. Integer is the one we're going to be interested in, because basically we gave everybody an entry number that is an integer. Okay. But you can choose real numbers, you can choose Boolean values, which are true and false, date, you can have a custom list, etc., etc. Easiest by far to conceptualize and implement is integers, for me at least. So what values do we use? Well, we want to choose a number between the lowest entry number and the highest entry number. You know, we changed our spreadsheet a little bit. We're at 41 total number of entries now. So I want to change my high end to 41. Basically, this is when you hit generate, it's going to pick a number randomly between 1 and 41. Okay, so let's do that. Watch for this box here to change when I hit generate. I click generate, so it picked 26. Let's close our random generator box. And you can see Aragorn, who had the highest percentage chance of winning, did in fact win this contest this time, because 26 was picked at random and 26 was one of his entry numbers. Well, let's run it again, you know, just for demonstration purposes. We'll start. Before you hit generate, make sure that this cell is selected, because that's the one that the math is based off of, right? So click generate again. This time it picked 16. Let's see who the winner was. Winner is now Pippin. Okay. So let's say we run it again the next month. You know, let's change some values here. Let's give him not 78. We'll give him 2 this time. Gimli did really good. He's got 9. Okay. So now Gimli has a 25% chance of winning. Total number of entries changed. Okay, so if we're going to run this for the next month, you know, new contest, what are we going to have to do? Well, the total number of entries changed, right? So basically we changed this upper value. We don't have 41 entries this month, we have 35, right? 35 here, 35. We're selecting integers. Let's hit generate again. It selected 30. And lo and behold, Gimli, who had a 25% chance of winning, did win this round. So that makes sense, but it's not always going to be the case. So run it one more time. We're hovered over this generate. It selected 3. Frodo wins. So that is random number generator in Google Sheets. Use it, love it, learn it, especially Danny's team members who are wanting to implement this for their own group. It's a great way to help motivate your downline. I'm including links to Danny's page, her Young Living Essential pages. Contact her regarding her contest details, but contact me if you have questions with the math, how to implement this for your own team. And good luck. Go team. Go anybody who is interested in math and random numbers. Awesome.